off your phone and take it. I go on too much with myself. Brown skin girl. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know the girl dipped in chocolate cheese. So today I'll be doing a makeover for Simashi because she was in the hospital. So I said why not do her over or give her a makeover. So see her here. I'm gonna do her hair on her toes, and she gonna boot up under the busted challenge for you guys. And you know, say when Sima come out, she come out right through. So see her here, guys. What you cooking for them? and the ear.
So guys, these are the things that I'm going to use on her hair and on her feet. So yeah guys, so check out all these things. This is from the Main Choice Alpha Growth Oil, so you can check them out on Instagram. And you know, so I'm going to use this on her foot, the aloe vera skin lotion, because it's really good. I know the contour hair moisturizer, and I'm going to use the this one, the Shea Butter Leave-In Condition. So yeah, I'm going to use the wipes also to wipe off her feet. I'm going to use a spray bottle, and I know me in love with this, so I'm going to use this in her hair. And I go from your say from the thumbnail, you know, say I'm gonna use this. So yeah guys, I'm going to start now. Because she had she had polish on her feet, on her toes before, I'm going to go in with the nail remover, the Whisker nail remover, to take off the polish off her toes. So I'm just going to rub in a circular motion, yeah, and get it all off, because I'm going to use that red nice color on her toes because the customer requested red. Yeah, don't get my crooked fingernails in it. So I'm going to wipe down the foot so that, yeah, so I'm going to wipe down in between the toes, wipe off the nails, and I'm going to do the same with the opposite foot. Our foot clean with that, so it can be used on the other foot. If our foot is dirty, we'll have to change it, but girl foot nice. So I'm going to wipe and wipe. So guys, I'm going to use the fresh aloe vera skin lotion to lotion the foot, each foot. Sorry for my English. So next foot customer, work with me. Take out too much. Guys, I'm not. No! Guys, I'm not a professional. Hear me? Guys, I'm not a professional, so you know.
So guys, it's time to paint the toenails. So I'm going to paint in a downward motion. Please, customer, hold your foot steady. And every time when you make a mistake, that's why I put the wipes here. As I make a mistake, I'm just going to... Guys, don't come for me in the comment section. I'm not a professional. I'm just a black girl trying. Yeah. So guys, you can hit me up on Instagram if you want your toes done. Yes, Lord. So guys, this is the final result. It look like two and it look like two and this is the final results for the feet. So time for the messy ear. So guys, time for the hair. It's a very big hair with a big head. Come, nobody looking at YouTube and violation coming under 18. It's a child violation. So guys, I'm from your scene at the thumbnail. Skin on the front. Oh yeah, I do. No. So guys, I'm gonna skin on the front and do the bubbles thing at the back. The beads will help it not to tear the hair when you put it. So you just put little oil, any oil, not cooking oil, people, ear oil, to put on the beads. Yeah, so it's soaking it, soak. Yeah. Alright. So guys, I'm going to go in with the olive oil to part the ear perfectly because you realize that the customer hair is really pretty in Jamaican words. It's our hair is 4B mixed with 4A, no 4C in the area. So I'm gonna just skin roll the front and all of that. So I'm going to go in with the soups. So these are the first 4. I'm going in with the 5th one. So I'm going to do it slant, and so I reach over here, so I'm gonna start do it that way. So I use the this gel to part it out and to capture her ear as much as possible. So you know, take 1 strand, 2 strand, 3, and I grab and I grasp. I'm nervous on the camera.
That me I said too. I wonder why. You're in a good ear, that's why.
Guys, don't forget to follow, to subscribe to Sim's channel.
Right there, so guys, Sim_Simma. Link me up, subscribe and watch up me thing there. Me have
whole heap of video.
hello.
I wanna ramp with we, you know.
Subscribe.
All our video them for reach thousands of
Long time.
thousands. If you wanna share and just like up with something,
Reach
thousands
far.
of thousands. Sim I need to reach 1,000. We're depending on you guys to let her reach the 1,000 subscribers. Because when you rate me and you love me enough for me get the 1,000, so you need to give Sim because she a try. She's a trying youth in a society and it gets on nice. I get it.
I just I want to help out the people in the community.
Yes. So guys, if you want to give Sim the 1,000, don't donate in a people and it's a go on. Sister girl go there. So guys, this is the part that I sectioned out for the 1, 2, 3 bubbles. How name? Bubble elastic at the bottom. I'm going to do 1, 2. So guys, this is the first row. 4 rows to go.
That is too much information.
So guys, this is the final Not the final, the semi-final. Look. Turn around, yeah, yeah. So she gonna get ready now. I go pick out her clothes and get her boot up. Period, boo. So guys, this is the final look. Period, boo. Watch, watch Brown and she. Hey, watch Simsima. Give them the walk. Give them the walk. Give them a walk. Let me see you walk, 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 walk. Let me see you walk, 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 walk. Give them a dance. Give them a dance. Hey, 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 jiggle, jiggle. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment if you like the makeover. Period. Yes, tell them to subscribe to your channel.
Subscribe to my channel. Go to sim_sim and there you'll find that.
Period. First time she go on with herself. She feel herself. Yes. Thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah.